Hello everyone, and welcome to Joint's English class. Today is your first English lesson, and don't worry if you are a complete beginner. In this video, you will learn basic English in a very easy, simple, and natural way. No difficult grammar, no stress, just real English that you can start using today. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to greet people, introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and speak basic English confidently. So stay with me until the end, because this lesson can change the way you learn English forever. English is one of the most powerful languages in the world. It helps you get jobs, travel, study online, watch movies, understand songs, and communicate with people from different countries. But many beginners feel afraid to start speaking English because they think they will make mistakes. Listen carefully. Making mistakes is normal. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. The secret is simple. Practice every day and never give up. Now let's start with the most important thing, greetings. When you meet someone in English, you can say hello, hi, or good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon, and in the evening, good evening. If someone asks, how are you? You can answer, I am fine, I am good, or I am great. Let's practice together. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Very good. You are already speaking English. Now let's learn how to introduce ourselves. This is very important in daily life. You can say, my name is, and then say your name. For example, my name is Join. You can also say, I am from Ethiopia, or I live in Addis Ababa. Let's make a full introduction together. Hello, my name is Join. I am from Ethiopia. Nice to meet you. Simple, right? Repeat this many times to improve your confidence. Now let's learn some common English words that beginners must know. Yes, no, please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. These words are very powerful in daily conversation. Imagine someone gives you water. You say, thank you. If you accidentally touch someone, you say, sorry. These small words make your English sound polite and natural. To speak English, you must learn how to ask questions. Here are some simple examples. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Now let's answer them. My name is Hannah. I am from Ethiopia. I am 20 years old. I am a student. Excellent. This is how real conversations start. Now let's practice a small conversation together. Person 1, hello. Person 2, hi. Person 1, what is your name? Person 2, my name is Sarah. What about you? Person 1, my name is Join. Person 2, nice to meet you. Person 1, nice to meet you too. This is basic English conversation. Repeat it again and again. Don't just watch, speak with me loudly. Many people stop learning English because they feel shy. But remember this, children learn language by listening and repeating every day. You can do the same. Don't wait to become perfect before speaking. Speak now with simple words. Even one sentence every day can improve your English quickly. If you practice daily, after a few months you will understand much more English than today. Now let's improve pronunciation. Repeat after me slowly. Hello. How are you? My name is. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Very good. The more you repeat, the better your pronunciation becomes. English is like a muscle. Practice makes it stronger. Now I have a challenge for you. In the comments section, write 3 sentences about yourself in English. For example, my name is. I am from. I want to learn English. This will help you practice and build confidence. Congratulations! You just completed your first English lesson. Today you learned greetings, introductions, common words, and basic conversations. That is a great start. Remember, fluency does not happen in one day. Practice a little every day, listen carefully, and speak without fear. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to Joint's English class, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English lesson. Share this video with your friends who want to learn English easily. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next class. Goodbye.